Looking for the best suspension trainers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 suspension trainers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. FITINDEX Resistance Trainer Kit. Pair with any stable support beam, exercise bar, or tree. Easy setup and no slip support. Tension resistance up to 400 pounds. Durable handles, buckles, and straps. Extra bands, storage bag, and exercise guide included. Durable and versatile suspension trainers maintain high-level tension and easily secure stable supports. Bands may chafe and scratch exposed arms and skin. At number 2. Lifeline Jungle Gym XT. Split anchor design lets you create wider angles for greater resistance. Facilitates more nuanced workouts by allowing the use of multiple muscle groups. Low impact resistance settings are great for muscle rehabilitation. Excellent option for elderly and prenatal clients. Molded, comfortable foot cradle. Comfortable handles. Split anchor design lets you change resistance more easily and amplify workout intensity. Straps may stretch after a while and need to be reinforced with clips. At number 1. TRX Training Pro 3 Suspension Training Kit. Versatile collection of exercise gear that works well for beginners and expert users. Workout guide helps beginners get started. Sturdy straps and anchors included. Rubber handles provide a sturdy grip. Access to support and tips through the TRX mobile application. Durable suspension training kit intended for extended use over time. Does not include a wall ceiling bracket, so the range of possible exercises might be diminished. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.